Ooh, look at that pretty bird. Pretty bird. Bald eagle in the tree off of 1112. January 4th. He's feeding off a great big piece of carrion that he got off the road right in front of me. He was actually sitting on the side of the road, and I looked him straight in the eye. I think it might be a she. I don't know why I feel that way, but she was very, very protective of her roadkill, which looked like a great big vulture, but now she's really wanting to eat that thing. I thought she might be feeding some of her young, but I think she's feeding herself. So I'm going to go for now, but at least I got a little bit of footage. And thank you, birdie. Woo-woo! 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 Woo! 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 Come on, birdie. Come on, bird. Give me a flyaway. Give me a flyaway. Oh my gosh, look at the hunk of meat she's got. No wonder she didn't come back to the side of the road. Woo! That is a huge hunk of bird you got there. Or did you find something else? It looks like you've got most of the body of the roadkill. You just left the feathers. Look at you. Look at you eating that thing. My goodness. Bye, girl. Bye, girl. Enjoy dinner. I gotta go. Tearing it up. Tearing it up. Whoa. No wonder those other birds won't stay around, because you are king of the road or queen of the road. Bye-bye.